this Gutenberg tutorial, Gutenberg block editor tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the blocks section. Now, I've converted from the classic editor to Gutenberg simply because after resisting it for a while, Gutenberg is easier to use. So, how do we use it? This is the Gutenberg editor here, what it looks like when it's in. And what you see here is this, across the top here, you've got your add a block, which corresponds with what happens when you click here. These are the tools that you can use to edit it. If you make a mistake, you can undo or redo it there. Then you have content structure there and a menu block navigation there. But to start with, when you add a block, click block, add a block, and whether you do it that way or whether you do it over here, it will work out the same thing. You still get this screen here. Now, these are the blocks that you can use. You've got page break, paragraph, and quote. But what you would do first and foremost is anything you click, you can put a page break there. And that will then that separates your pages. If you want to take that out, you simply click there and remove the block. If you want to put a paragraph in, you click there, and that will then put your paragraph there. Now, when you do that, if I move this across to there so we can see it a bit better, move it right the way over, you can see down here, which makes it look nicer, your text settings, you can put a drop cap in there. So the drop capital will go in, and then you can put, say, A, and then you can click below, and that will put the A in there for your title. It looks nice when it's in a content block, that's for sure. So that's how you can do that. If you want to take drop cap off, you simply replace that, and that takes the drop cap off. To remove that paragraph block, again, you simply take that, and you would remove the block by clicking remove block, which is just out of screenshot for you there. If you want to take that one out as well, remove block there, that takes that out. So again, anything you do, you can't make a mistake with it. But that's how you use any of the blocks that you have here. Common blocks are the ones that most frequently get used. And common ones, you've got literally anything for everything there. If you want to put a video in, you click video, and you can upload one from your media library. Again, let's remove that one. Takes the block out. Anything that you want to do, you can do there. Formatting, you can put anything you want to put in there. Coding, if you want to, you can put that across there and put the coding in. But again, literally what you do is that's how you would use and can remove any of the blocks there. In the next video, I will show you how to use the patterns, and they'll be the next one that we can do. But for now, that's how you use the Gutenberg editor. If you want to get more information on Gutenberg, you can go to wpacademy.com. Thanks for watching.